Many people are not fond of using Meta AI on WhatsApp, often preferring to use the app without additional features that might affect their privacy. In this video, we will show you how to remove Meta AI on WhatsApp with simple and quick steps. What is Meta AI? Meta AI is an artificial intelligence technology used by Meta, formerly Facebook, to enhance user experience on their platforms. This technology can analyze your messages, suggest replies, and provide various recommendations. However, not everyone likes using this service due to privacy concerns or personal preference. Removing Meta AI from WhatsApp is not a straightforward task. Previously, we could remove the chatbot feature just by going into WhatsApp settings, selecting chats, and switching off the Meta AI button. But now, that option is no longer available. The surest way to disable it is as follows. In this video, you will learn 1. Disabling Meta AI. Steps to disable Meta AI features in WhatsApp settings. 2. Security tips. How to ensure your privacy remains protected while using WhatsApp without Meta AI. Be sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss any crucial steps. If you encounter any challenges, please leave your comments below, and we will assist you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like. Steps number 1. Open your WhatsApp app. Click on the three-dash menu at the top right corner. Select Settings. Navigate to Chats within Settings. Choose Chats. Backup Chats. Go to Chat Backup. Select a Google account for backup. Proceed with backing up your chats. Step 2. Uninstall WhatsApp. Exit the app. Uninstall the current version of WhatsApp. Long press the app icon on the home screen. Select Uninstall without keeping any data. Step 3. Install previous version. Open your Chrome browser or any other browser. Search for an older version of WhatsApp, for example, version 2.24.8.4. Download and install the previous version. Step 4. Restore chats. Open WhatsApp and register your phone number. Once registered, restore your chats. Now that you've successfully disabled Meta AI, it's essential to ensure your privacy and security are fully protected. Stay tuned for these crucial security tips that will help you keep your WhatsApp experience safe and private. Security tips. 1. Be cautious with your information. Ensure you are aware of what information you are sharing with apps. Meta AI might analyze your messages, so it's important to control what data is being shared. 2. Use privacy settings. Check and adjust your privacy settings on WhatsApp to meet your preferences. Access the privacy settings and modify options related to how your data is used. 3. Use strong passwords. Make sure you use strong passwords for your online accounts, including WhatsApp, to prevent unauthorized access. 4. Regularly review settings. Periodically review your privacy and security settings on WhatsApp. Stay informed about any updates or changes that might affect your privacy. 5. Be wary of third-party apps. Avoid using unknown apps or extensions that might interact with your WhatsApp, as they could impact your security and privacy. By following these tips, you can use more securely without worrying about Meta AI or other features that might affect your privacy.